Oh, hey man! Long time no see. What's up? Come. I'll show you. We have beer if you want some. We're just swapping the engine, you know. Just usual Friday for us, you know. I mean, they are swapping. They're doing the job. I am the piwko giver. I give piwko. Hey, Meister, have piwko. Oh.
Czerwonego spraya, to jest odmalowanie silnika. To jest ten.
So here we have literally everything that we need for the swap. This includes engine oil, transmission oil, some other stuff. Here we have all the wires, and we have new cooling thingies. The old ones are just awful. They are still the Honda ones that she came with from the factory. This is like the third or fourth time we are swapping an engine in a hatchback Civic, so it's literally nothing new for us. Well, for this guy right there, because I don't know shit about cars. Go to our Instagram. A lot of stupid shit is here and some nice photos. Ty? Ja chcę szybko.
I will be wolny.
To kurwa do mnie dzwoni o tej godzinie.
Masz to? So it is 2 a.m. We've just came home because we have unplugged everything. The engine is ready to get out. We need to finish getting ready the second engine, and tomorrow we will end everything. But for today, we need to catch a break. Do some Richard Penzrelli. Day 2, gotta get back to work. So yesterday we have prepared everything to get the old engine out. We need to repair some things in the new engine, and let's just hope that today we will end this. Mamy to. Ja pierdolę. O chuj. To poszło o wiele sprawniej niż myślałem. Panie chodzi. Dobra, gaz. So the situation right now is simple and not really, because everything seems to be working fine except the fuel pump, which doesn't get any power from anywhere, and we don't really know why. We have double checked everything, and we checked the old forums of other Honda owners, and I couldn't find a straight answer. We tried everything. And as you have seen, we got the fuel pump working. We just got the piece of wire and attached it directly to the battery, and it worked this way. And from what we have seen, the engine is working pretty fine, which is a huge relief for me. Tomorrow we need to get the cooling setup working. After that we need to mount the axles, wheels, get the rest of the engine harness put onto everything that it needs to, and that should be it. So we will see tomorrow.